Well, here's our basic order entry system. User ID, password. And I guess what we're looking for is something a bit more simple that our dealers could use and salesmen. Uh, this is just kind of what we have set up right now. Let's go through everything. I'll probably select every option we have to show you what we're looking for. Just all our dealers here. Order information, what are we going to be ordering, what kind of building, engineered, non-engineered parts. Just customer industry. And I guess something else that we could be able to edit from the back end of things as well. So this would be the customer information section, company name, address, city, state, county, all that jazz. Zip code. Kind of nice to have the project site information, have it in a box, just so it's the exact same as above. And one thing that this doesn't have is when you select Canada, we don't have any of our states or provinces on here. So that'd be something we would definitely want to have. Pretty simple though. And shipping address, usually the same. So next we get into kind of the option section. We're going to order. You want stamped structurals, non-stamped. Building on. See, this is good for the reactions. Ground snow load, wind load. And it'd be nice to have a box of information for each one, so you would know what you're selecting. Building models, all our lines that we carry, all the standard widths that we have as well. Uh, 50. This is just our steel model, two options that we offer. And it'd be nice to you see when I change our building model. For our leg buildings, it automatically selects the steel model that comes with it. So you can't change that, which is nice. Back to the 50, you have two options to choose from. That 420 is not there. And it would be in section 2 where you'd be able to select the base spacing, but we have nothing in here for that. So that's the on center of the trusses, whether it be 10, 12, 14. Kind of nice. Comes up with the ground and snow load for us. No reaction database we have. Like this here, it shows you what would you select for the exposure category. But this is the end, open, one end there, two ends, so the building's enclosed. Let a partition close just to show you. This is our reaction section where we'd have a database. Base space, I guess this is this area here. I can't type anything in for some reason. That's something to definitely work on. Now get into the cover, fabric type, fire rated, non-fire rated. Nice little spot to select for ridge vents. Are both sides the same? Yes. Cover model. What we offer. Single pocket, two pocket eave. So the cover, sides the same, cover model, single pocket, like the picture shows, two pocket. Lightning fast computer. Here, the picture shows the two pocket. One above the bottom of the truss, one below the bottom of the truss. The eave option. Select single pocket for now. What colors we provide. Our end flap colors. So this is nice. You can either select our standard, which is 8 inches below zero for this pocket, or you can select your custom pocket wherever you would want it. A equals 10 inches below zero. So that's pretty good. It's nice how this picture's here for the dealer to see what they're actually ordering. End walls, 1, 2 identical, 2 different. 1 HSS steel, which we provide. Standard vertical, custom drop, headers, no. So this is the spacing in between the verticals. It's usually the same as your base spacing. So 10. Or you could select custom verticals if you know, the dealer wanted something more custom that way. This is a drop on the HSS on the end walls. Just pretty simple. That's what we're kind of going for with this here. No vent frame, no personal door. But if I wanted a personal door, it just shows you what options there are. Definitely something nice to have. As well as the vent frame, what bay, what kind of vent frame package. This is the end wall fabric. FR, not FR again. Fabric model, 220 to 320. Color. Just standard length. 8 inches below zero, like the cover is itself. This is the drop that you can throw on your end wall fabric. We get the miscellaneous parts here. This is kind of nice for, this is to have a section here where all the parts that they could order to go along with their building, which would be real nice to have something very simple. All the pricing as well, right beside it. Just for example, 1, 2, boom, price. Now I definitely like to clean this up a bit. This is, I don't know, I find it hard to read at least. It's not very simple. Everything's kind of all jammed in and kind of hard to read for what exactly you are ordering. But something we definitely need. And the pricing section. something that could be a bit cleaner too. Something we'll be able to update the pricing and just provides the dealer with a quick price or a quick quote right away, which is nice. So when I go to here, I could, which is kind of nice, is you can output to Excel. So if I don't know we're going to do this, we're going to have a form that just submits it to Brightspan right away when they have an order. But I'll show you here. So it's submitted on our order form, which is nice, but again, very complicated here. This is not even what our order form looks like with all these sections, all these big sections like that. But this might be something simple so that they don't have to go through submitting an order, or if it just goes through our orders, our new order entry system that you might be able to come up with us. So this is just something, any question, just ask us about. Save order without submitting, print order for summary. So basically just prints off those, basically just prints off this. That's all it did. Yeah, I guess, Jim, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to send you some of the stuff that our competition does as well. I tried to walk through this as simple as possible and just kind of give you an idea of what we need. So I guess we'll be in touch soon. All right, thanks.